Okay, so I'm in Regina again. Pretty bored. Everybody left me to go to bingo. So that sucks, and I'm here by myself with my cousin, so that's not really by myself, but I'm babysitting, and that's pretty sucky. I'm going to PA tomorrow. No, Monday. I'm going to Warped Tour Friday. No, Tuesday. And then, I don't know. I have no idea what I'm going to do. It's going to be a really random week for me. Anyways, I don't know, I'm making this video. I'm really just bored, and it happens to be a computer. A video cam thing. Guess what? I have cookies. These are like my all-time favorite cookies. I eat them like all the time when I was a kid. I thought they had coconut in them before, but that was something else. I like coconuts. I went to the fair last night. It was wild. And then that drop of doom thing, I was like almost pissing my pants, man. And my uncle was right beside me, almost like getting all scared. It was fun. And I saw Theory of a Dead Man and Social Code. They were alright. I don't really listen to them, but I used to listen to Social Code. So that was kind of bringing back memories. Anyways, you guys should meet my cousin, Noah. Come here. He's eating my cookies. Okay. Say hi. Hi. What's your name? His name's Noah. Hi. Wait. Okay, go away now. He's really heavy. He's like, I don't know how old he is. But he was a baby like last year, so that means he's like 1 or 2. I don't know. Anyways, I wish bingo was over. It's only 5. Bingo starts at 7. I don't know why they left. I'm gonna play around with these things. Whoa. Okay. Huh. What else is there? Weird. Okay. It's my mom's birthday today, but I haven't talked to her in a while. Okay. Anyways, what else is there? Oh my god. Stop it! Stop it! Make it stop! Oh. Make that stop. Oh. 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 Now what? That's cool. Oh my god. I'm gonna take pictures of this. Anyway. What else is there? Oh my god. It's kind of creepy, if you ask me. Blurry. It's winter already. I wish it was winter. Anyways. Okay, well, this is going nowhere, so I'm just gonna say goodbye. Peace.